Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. Guys, another accusation on Regina Daniel. I don't know what this girl have done to people. I don't know what she have done to bloggers. Hi, this is not good though. This is not good. Bloggers, if you are blogging, please blog the correct one. Say what happened. Don't accuse anybody because you want to get views. I can't remember Regina having such a thing that this guy said in mind. No, she cannot do it. The Regina we know cannot do it. Although somebody was saying that it's not as if she knows Regina very well. She have not seen her physically or that. But what people are saying, she find it so hard not to believe what they are saying. Because if you take as in look at what they are saying critically or think about it, you'll be like, it's better you believe. Because it's not everything you see that you believe, but there are certain things you believe even when you have not seen. Come to think of it, this guy now that is saying this thing might just be that he wants to get views. Okay, guys, let me review to you what this guy said concerning Regina Daniel. So, according to what we heard allegedly, this guy in question said that he is living in Abuja with Regina. It's not as if he is living in the same house. Oh. The guy is living in Abuja, and Regina Daniel and the husband is also living in Abuja. So according to this guy that he knows a guy that is dating Regina Daniel. Ha, my people, come and see Wahala. This Regina that doesn't have time. Anywhere you see Ned, you go see Regina. Now he knows a guy that if Regina did want to say that this thing he's saying right now is not true, that he is going to bring evidence, that he have evidence. That Ned Nwoko is just there playing like behaving as if he knows it all, but he did not know anything. That he's just playing Mugu somehow. That Regina Daniel have one boy like that. He have a boyfriend. Do you remember when she told us that she have how many boyfriends? 21 boyfriends, that be 17 boyfriends. That what she was saying then is true. Apart from the fact that Somadina and Regina that they were close, that all Regina have other boyfriend, and this particular one he's talking about now is not just anyhow boyfriend, but a intimate boyfriend with Regina Daniel, and this guy is living in Abuja. And people make una just carry seat, let me gist you. So when this boy was saying this thing, that Ned Nwoko would think that this children belongs to him. Is it because of the children this first one resemble him? Don't you know that a woman can be pregnant and the child would want to resemble whoever he wants to resemble? That as long as the woman is pregnant and the woman is staying with you, hey, this one another secret where people just they know. Me, I just they understand. As long as you are pregnant, you can't dey stay with your husband, this and that. The pikin fit resemble you, but this one, I doubt it. I doubt what this guy is saying. Look at Ned Nwoko's first child. Like, I mean, from Regina. You see this boy na carbon copy of Ned Nwoko. Carbon copy. Even this second child, children doesn't resemble. It's okay for your own family now. Just check your brothers and sisters. All of you na the same face you get. No, you people will resemble each other, but you will not be the same. You will not have the same face. Some might have round face, some might have pumpy face, some might have oval face, but na the same mother and the same father na dem born you people. That is what happened between Regina Daniel's two sons now. Because according to this boy is saying that these two children is not even talking about the second one. Oh. Okay, the second one, people might be like, Regina, this one too resemble your husband. What about the second one? But this guy is saying that the two children that no be need to work on get am. Hey, my people. That if Regina want to debunk this news, let her go and do DNA test and present to him. I don't even know who this boy is that Regina will just go and do DNA to present to. Okay, Regina should go and do DNA test and present to the social media that, oh, people are saying that my children is not my husband. Oh, I have done DNA test to this and that. Now wow, some people can be wicked. When I heard this, okay, I'm going to play the voice note. In short, the boy did not even just play the voice note. He showed his face. That is to tell you that if he knows what he's saying, I don't know whether he knows what he's saying or he's just accusing Regina. To become a big time celebrity, you need to get coconut head though. Regina, you need to get coconut head. You need to learn how to overlook what people are saying about you. Because I saw in a video where one of Regina Daniel's friends was telling her that, are you still crying? Let me clean your tears. People will be saying a lot of things that will make you cry. You will hear a lot of things, even though you're not a celebrity. Have you watched Men of God, how people gossip about them? Have you watched people that matters in the society, how people gossip about them? So if you think that everything goes, you start crying, you are making mistake. Let me just play this voice note, and you see the boy's face, you know that the boy is not even hiding anything. Let me just play it.
Regina Daniel need to come outside and tell us who is the real father to all the children wey in the born for Ned Nwoko. Yes, you need to come out and tell us the real father to all your children wey you dey born for Ned Nwoko. Because me, I know who be your boyfriend and I know the guy wey you dey go visit. Yes, you go dey shit on this old man. Ned Nwoko, with all due respect, Regina Daniel, all the children wey he born for you, you are not the father of those children. You need to come outside and tell us the real father to those children. All DNA is needed. We need DNA test, make we confirm if na Ned Nwoko be the real father to all the children. Yes, Regina Daniel, come outside ASAP and tell us the real father to all the children. And if you did not tell us, I will post the real picture of the real father to all the children where you bought for Ned Nwoko. Now me talk am and I get the evidence. As you all know, this is Tuma.
My
Kodus.
people, I don't hear am so. If person just dey look for what to do to get views or to get attention from people, he will just go and cook up one nonsense. Me sef, I cannot believe this because the thing wey you wear for your hand, you don't need mirror to see it. You see that watch wey you go wear for your hand, you don't need mirror. If you look at these children resemble Ned Nwoko complete. There is no doubt about it. And it's not today we started hearing about DNA. Why would Regina do DNA test to show you who you be? Who are you? Wey Regina go do DNA test and show you. Even Ned Nwoko have thought about DNA before. And I don't know whether Regina let her do the DNA test. I don't know. But who this boy be wey Regina go do DNA test go show? Na attention they look for. They want to view, they want to be noticed. You know say if you do one kind nonsense like that, people go use because of your nonsense come notice you. But you see this one, Regina doesn't even have your time. Me sef, I no even have your time. I just want to carry out this video so that I go just show na wetin this boy dey vomit for mouth. You know Regina Daniel boyfriend. Hey, na wow. Anyway, he never even reach to go and beg Regina to become his girlfriend. That is why he's saying this. I been now secret admirers wey dey admire Regina Daniel. Anyway, guys, na so I take care. But let me tell you, Regina is bigger than this nonsense that this boy is saying. Regina don big pass this rubbish. Regina, just continue to enjoy yourself, okay? My prayers for you is that Ned Nwoko should not do nonsense, because if Ned do nonsense, he go receive am gbas. May God just give you the strength to carry on, continue with your polygamous marriage, because I know say e no dey easy for you, but God is going to help you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe, and share this video. Bye.